Get ready for a fact that will change how you see sleep. Did you know that you can't actually sneeze while you're asleep? No matter how strong the urge is, your brain completely shuts down the sneeze reflex when you enter sleep. That's because sneezing requires multiple active brain signals, and during sleep, those pathways are temporarily offline. The same thing happens with coughing and many pain responses. Your brain is in protection mode. This is why loud noises can wake you up, but physical reflexes don't trigger automatically. Your body carefully decides what's important enough to interrupt sleep.